Today we are going to plant some tomato seeds because it's that time of the year. And this here will be the new and first video on our new channel here at Lillerud Micro Farm. It's a small farm in Norway where we are going to plant or put in the ground some vegetables, and we're going to hopefully deliver them at the market garden during the spring and summer and autumn. So you can see behind me, you can see the old barn. We also have to fix that this year. And I'm going to just give you a quick tour of where we are living. So there you can see the old greenhouse that we built last year. The roof suddenly got to be a floor during the winter storms. And down there, it's an old shed that we are going to totally renovate and build into a bakehouse. And we have the chickens down there. Downside of the chickens, we are going to have some sheeps, maybe this year or probably next year. And this here is our house. And over there you can see the fields where we are going to start the plants. And we also have a little bit behind the barn. I think maybe an acre or so. And that's the stabbur in Norwegian. I'm not quite sure what the English word for it is, but I'll see if I can find it and put a link, or not a link, but a word for what it is described or called in English. And this here is the old house on the farm. Inside here we have set up so we can start our seedlings. So we are going to go in and take a look and see how it's in there. So here is an old house, and we have a lot of windows. They stood there when we bought the place for 2.5 years ago. In here, it's pretty hot in here. Shut the door. This here is the place where I'm trying to film it, where we are going to start our seedlings. We have 2 tables here for now, but we are going to put up some more shelves and one more table. We have started to plant paprika and chili, and the chili has, I don't know if you can see it, but chili has just started to sprout. And same for the paprika. I think you can see the first sprout there. Now we need to water it. So that's a quick tour. Well, let's get back to the work and stay tuned. So today we are going to put in the ground some seedlings from beef tomato. That's a tomato that's steak tomato. I don't know what the English word is, but also something I will write in the comment, or not in the commentary field, but on the video. Since we have so many trays, we can put one seed in each dirt container thing. Yeah. Because we have a lot of these trays, and we're not going to sow more than probably 100 and 150 tomato plants. When we are sowing seeds like this, we only need to water the top, because now the seeds just need to get some water to get started to, or to understand that they are going to sprout. So a little bit of water on the top, and it's good to go. And now they are just going to stand here, and in maybe a week or so, we are going to get tomatoes. Pinne. So, we're going down to see if the chickens are okay. Here they are. Have 4 chickens and actually 4 roosters. 2 of the roosters are going to be given away. One is going to be... Oh, there you see them. 2 of the roosters are going to be given away, and 2 is going to be, or 1 is going to be slaughtered for dinner, and the rest is laying eggs for us. Now, time to give them some water. Oh, I think I got it. Have to make sure don't go out. And if you can see, inside here we have one that is laying on the eggs, so we're going to get chicken soon. And we have some eggs here, I think. Oh, you don't say. Hello. Hello. We are going to get some sheeps. And with sheeps, we get some good juicy steaks, I hope. I love sheep meat. It's sheep meat, and it's going to be sheep because because we are raising them ourselves. So, short travel food, or kortreist mat, is a saying here in Norway. So everything that you can grow or fetch or be self-sufficient with is a good thing. And we have, as I said earlier, just bought this land for a couple of years ago, and our goal is to be completely self-sufficient regards to vegetables and mostly of meat. We are eating chickens now, and soon sheep, and maybe a cow. Maybe someone wants a cow. I'm not so glad or fond of it, but we'll see. We'll see. But this was a short intro video of our farm. We're going to do a lot of crazy things here, and cool things, of course. So hope you will join us on the journey, and give this video a like, and subscribe to see more fantastic things that we are going to do here. So until the next time, see you around. Bye.